guys, it's Happy here, and today I'm doing a Will It Slime. I see this on YouTube. I don't know if it really does work. Kids shampoos and stuff, 3 in 1, and just shampoo. It seems to work. Which sure it's not. And just in case I have my slime here, so I'm just gonna be doing my hair. That's kind of a lot. I don't know if you can see it right here. Ew. Short. I need more shampoo. I'm just getting mad. I'm not very sure. Let me add the 3 in 1 again. Hold on. Myself. Come try to make slime. It ain't working. I mean, it works, but just I'll just give you guys a close up in a minute. It does work. It's just like it's too jelly. But yeah, it's an activator. Okay. Cane room. My kitten is in Cane's room. And I don't know. See, guys, it worked stuff. Okay, I'll actually do like a real close up. And next, I'm gonna do face mask and stuff. So look, if I mix it, comes kind of like slimy and shaky in the middle. If I poke it.